Andhra Pradesh government has issued orders to expand the Visakhapatnam Metropolitan Development Authority VMRDA on non-tribal mandals. So, why are activists opposing this move to include 13 non-tribal mandals under the VMRDA? Is this decision going to have negative effects on the constitutional rights of tribals? First of all, what is this particular government order on non-tribal mandals? This order was issued on March 23rd to bring and include 13 non-tribal mandals of 431 villages under the VMRDA. The government thinks that the Visakhapatnam city is changing fastly, and that's the reason to expand and increase the jurisdiction of the VMRDA to include these 13 non-tribal mandals to provide and ensure better services. Let me give a more detail about the mandals. So there are 43 mandals in Visakhapatnam district, and out of these there are around 11 tribal mandals, and from the remaining 32 non-tribal mandals, 19 of them are already in VMRDA, and now these 13 non-mandals are going to be included as per the recent orders. Now some more details about why the government is thinking and planning to move ahead with this plan. The government is saying that because of rapid urbanization of Visakhapatnam city, some urban sprawls or isolated settlements have been seen in these VMRDA areas towards the western corridor of Visakhapatnam metropolitan region. Now, the government thinks that it's important to decrease this pressure on urban infrastructure of the city and to make sure that planned and systematic development happens in these areas by preventing unauthorized constructions. And for these reasons, these 13 mandals have been included in the VMRDA. It is said that these mandals are contiguous in nature, means matlab adjoining and connected areas that can be developed and converted into urban areas. But what is the controversy here? Why are some organizations opposing this move? Some organizations like Human Rights Forum HRF are against this move. HRF thinks and believes that expanding the area under VMRDA to bring 13 non-agency mandals in this category is the wrong move. This is wrong because the tribals living in the villages have been demanding to be announced as scheduled villages, and they have particular issues with the inclusion of 6 villages in Nathavaram mandals in the list of 13 mandals. These 6 villages are Dharmavaram, Agraharam, Chamachinta, Surugudu, Kuruvadu, Kolava Vadhu, Sarvabhararam and Patinagamannadora Palem are mentioned as scheduled villages. Tribal people from the agency areas of the district have even submitted a memorandum to Assistant Director of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, Ashok Vardhan, requesting not to permit and allow the inclusion of these 6 villages in the VMRDA. Wait a minute, what is this concept of scheduled villages? Constitutionally, the 5th schedule areas are unique and exceptional in nature. These areas have some important constitutional recognition, and the activists believe and think that bringing these villages in the VMRDA would deprive them of the rights and authorities given to them by the Constitution of India. Some believe that inclusion of these villages in the